I like to tease you. So many people use it as a crutch.
Oh my God.
If you're that guy who's not using it as a crutch, you're different.
You're different?
And you're attractive.
About body language. What are you?
I don't know. And this is something that if you start thinking of it as a game for yourself, you won't be as intimidated by it. The more that you can practice doing this, the better it's going to be for you, because soon your comfort level's up and up and up. That's where confidence comes from.
Speaking of comfort,
all of that can be easily done and learned, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do it now.
What's up, gentlemen? So as you see, we've got Marni, the wing girl, back in the Alpha M house. So today, the question that I think a lot of guys are interested in knowing is, how do you attract a woman without actually speaking? Because speaking is one of those things where, you know, guys can look good, but it's that speaking thing that a lot of guys,
100%.
it's tough. You have a good solution for how to ultimately attract like a moth to a flame?
Yes, I do, and the truth is...
Wait, hold on. First, a word from our video sponsor. You are gonna love this deal. Right now, for a limited time, you're gonna get for $50, which regular price of this is $84, which means it's $34 off. You get to pick whichever Pete and Pedro fragrance you want. Whether or not it's Legend, it's Villain, it's King, it's Hero, it's Rebel. You get to pick whichever Pete and Pedro fragrance you want. But you're also gonna get a deodorant, the fresh deodorant. It's a eucalyptus spearmint. It's natural, which means you're not gonna be rubbing toxic chemicals on your pits. This stuff is amazing and it smells incredible. But your balls are gonna smell even better because you're gonna get a full-size fresh ball powder. This stuff is talc-free. It's not only gonna keep your balls smelling amazing, it's gonna keep them dry. And a little sprinkle of this up your booty crack to make sure you don't get swamp ass. Right now, for a limited time, in honor of Marni, if you use the code DATING34, you're gonna get the ultimate dating package for $34 off. Regular price of this package, guys, is $84, but if you use the code DATING34, you're getting it for $50. All the information is gonna be linked down below. Gentlemen, do not wait. I want you to smell better than all your friends. Right, let's talk a little bit about this confidence and how to attract somebody without actually speaking.
Yes, okay, so here's the thing. So there's open body language, there's good facial gestures, and there's eye contact. Those are such powerful things that you can easily do. So for most guys, they have eyes that are going all over the place when they're talking to a woman. But if you can focus on the woman, not like intense like that.
Like
but
not break.
Yeah,
like,
no.
don't, like,
exactly, or like looking all over the place like you're nervous. If you can learn, you can do this in the mirror, practicing every single day just for 5 minutes, you can learn how to do this successfully. You can look at a woman as if you're seeing beyond her face. That's how you want to look at her, having a little sparkle in your eyes. If you can do that, that is super powerful. And then you couple that with a smirk on your face, which is like a half smile. George Clooney does it best. You can smile like that when you look at a woman. Those things alone are magical for creating attraction.
Ooh, what about body language? Other than the face?
Okay, then body language, just open body language. So many guys that I see are covering up their bodies constantly. And that means that they're uncomfortable, they're nervous, and that's what a woman is going to take in. We actually just did a whole masterclass with my wonderful wing girl Nadia on how to express intent non-verbally to women. And body language was the biggest one that she mentioned. And it really is just open body language, having your chest be open, having even your legs be open, because the more that you cross everything off,
more tight.
That's what you're projecting to people. So these things are all super attractive. When you see somebody walk into a room with a smirk on their face, good eye contact, and open body language, that draws you in instantly.
Right here.
No, it's good.
Walking in a room, gentlemen, we've talked about how to walk with confidence, right?
Yeah.
Chest up, shoulders back, head up, right? You're looking people in the eye, because that's one of the things. And one of the problems with everybody having cell phones nowadays is that everybody is like walking around, they're focused here as opposed to here. And so one tip I'd like to give you guys is when you go into a room, when you go into a restaurant, like wherever, put your damn phone away. Put it away, right? Don't have it in your hand, because so many guys use it as a crutch, right?
So many people use it as a crutch.
Oh my God.
If you're that guy who's not using it as a crutch, you're different.
You're different.
And you're attractive.
And you look more confident.
Yes.
The other thing that's going to happen is you're going to have more opportunities to actually talk to people, because you You're going to be looking for opportunities, and people are going to engage you. But if you see somebody, right, if it's a woman or a guy, and they're on their phone, how likely are you actually going to talk to them and engage with them?
So I actually have a really good exercise for this. It's called eye contact chicken, okay? And this is something that if you start thinking of it as a game for yourself, you won't be as intimidated by it. So you go out in public and you play eye contact chicken with them, which means that you have to make eye contact with 5 to 10 people and not look away before they look away.
Woo!
So when people are down on their phones, you can trigger them by saying like, hey, how's your day, right? So they'll look up at you and you have to hold that eye contact before they look away. It's gonna feel super uncomfortable, but the more that you can practice doing this, the better it's going to be for you, because soon eye contact is going to be so easy for you and you will be way ahead of 90% of men.
I love that advice so much. I think I'm going to start trying.
Good. It's fun. It's super fun.
It's fun?
Yeah.
It feels nervous. I feel nervous, right, gentlemen? You got to push yourself outside of your comfort zone. A friend of mine, Noah Kagan, has an exercise to work that fear muscle. Basically, what he says is go up and ask for 10% off wherever you go and you're buying something, all right? You're sometimes going to get it, but it's not about actually getting the discount. It's about getting rejected and asking for something that's not comfortable. And it works that muscle. And so this eye contact chicken is kind of a perfect mix, right?
And I love Noah Kagan. I love all of his advice. He's fantastic.
Yeah.
And I love that exercise. Because as you said, it's not about getting the 10%. It's about doing something that's slightly uncomfortable for you to push your comfort levels up and up and up. That's where confidence comes from.
Speaking of comfort, some guys need a little more comfort when it comes to what to say to women. You've got a free gift.
I do have something free for you guys. Okay, so go to fwithher.com and you are going to get 5 videos that are going to teach you 5 things that you can do and need to do right now in order to attract the women that you want.
Gentlemen, it is free. If you don't have it, it's free. Like I said, link below. What about dressing? Style.
Oh, style is so important.
Grooming.
Yes, 100%. Listen, I'm not going to lie. Looks do matter, but they don't
Smell.
matter. Yes, smell matters. I might probably stink today.
Oh, God. I'm kidding. What? Deodorant. It's my deodorant.
I know, and it smells fantastic. I would love to smell like that. I forget what I was saying now.
You were talking...
No, style.
Style. Grooming.
All of that is super
Looking
important.
good.
Listen, at the end of the day, those first 5 seconds of what a woman sees is super important. Doesn't mean you have to be like an Abercrombie model with abs of steel. You have to look good, like you take care of yourself, which means you can take care of her.
Boom. Marni.
Yeah.
Rock and roll. Gentlemen, if you dug this video, drop me one of these. If you haven't downloaded the free guide, do it today. Make sure to subscribe to Marni's channel.
My channel.
Channel. Link below. Also, that Pete and Pedro offer to make you smell amazing is down below. Gentlemen, thanks for watching. Marni.
Yes.
Say goodbye.
Bye.